After waiting for years on Apple to make a USB-C iPhone, I decided I had enough. I'll just make one myself. There exists lightning to USB-C cables, right? Well, what if I could take that cable, transform the USB-C male end into a female one with a custom board, and then miniaturize all this to put it inside the iPhone. But I need to dig deeper inside the cable and find out how it really works. Now that this connector is removed, let's focus on the last piece to fully understand what is happening here. I wanted to find a way to remove this part to see what it was hiding, so I tried many ways to do that, with chemicals, by grinding it, but in the end the best way was by heating the metallic part with a soldering iron and then pulling out when the plastic underneath starts to melt. This is it, people, the world's first USB-C iPhone. Now I know it doesn't look very special, but watch this. And data is also supported.